Hi, it's me, Trey J. Have you ever thought about improving your lifestyle by bringing the outside in to your home? You can do it. I'd like to have you take a look at a project we just completed in southern Baja outside of Cabo San Lucas, where we put in 3 of these slide and stack doors that are just beautiful, but look at, they're also affordable. Take a look at this. Okay, now wasn't that fabulous? And trust me, the prices of these doors beat the competition. They're affordable. So all you got to do is contact me. You see it on your screen right now. We'll be back in touch.